Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Remove the side panel. To gain more room to work, remove or loosen the sealing panel by removing the securing tab. Remove the filter housing door by pulling the base tab down and then the filter housing door out to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1232 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the footwell sealing by aligning the vent system with their openings. Press to lock the tabs into their catch. Reinstall the side panel by aligning the tabs. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.